welcome to Portchester Castle. Portchester Castle is a Norman castle of the 12th century set inside the walls of a Roman fort of the 3rd century. Today we are doing a discovery visit. It's entitled In the Footsteps of Kings, and it concentrates on two of the kings most involved with Portchester. That's Edward III, who was king during the 100 Years' War, and Richard II. The students will enjoy dressing up and going into the role of both kings. They will learn how the longbow worked, find out what people ate and what you could expect, either being a lord or a servant.
For children who are only 6, they really need to be hands-on. So the dressing up, the being able to touch the castle, being able to touch the artefacts that we've seen today brings the whole topic alive for them. If there's something they haven't understood during their sort of classroom-led activities, this makes it real.
Long live the Queen! Hooray! Hooray!
I've been learning about King and Queens. We've had lots of fun and it was spectacular.
This trip is really perfect because it really brings the whole topic alive.